All right, we're live again. Welcome to this first episode of Insights in Instructional Design and Technology. My name is Itauma, and today's topic is innovative technologies in education. All right. Several technological advancements have been noted in education in recent decades. These innovative technologies present new ways of instruction or improve upon traditional learning methods. There are various technologies that have been developed and are in use in modern day classroom. These include computer-assisted instruction, learning management systems, learning analytics, cloud computing, mobile learning, wearable technology such as Google Glass and 3D printing, to name a few. In this video, the effectiveness, efficiency, and data supporting the recommendation of computer-assisted instructions, learning management systems, and learning analytics will be discussed. So let's get started with what is computer-assisted instruction. The time is 2 a.m. right here in Michigan. Computer-assisted instruction, also known as computer-based training, has been promoted as a tool to facilitate learning. There are various types of computer-assisted instructions, such as that are used today, such as online tutorials, computer simulations, instructional games such as Kahoot, and interactive online problem-solving games. So Kahoot is an interactive online problem-solving game. It's kind of a quiz-like game which is interactive, and several students, or my students in particular, love Kahoot. As the role of computer-assisted instructions rapidly expands in the educational and training efforts of all types of institutions, the need for well-designed, learner-centered computer-assisted instructions continues to grow. An online tutorial provides a platform which assumes the role of a tutor, presenting content to students. Online tutorials may be used to free up an instructor's time or to reinforce content. Computer simulations can be used to mimic real-life skills or real-life situations for teaching purposes. So what's a Kahoot game? It's an instructional game that provides a fun way of impacting knowledge using a recreational method to teach students concepts or skills. So computer-assisted instructions provides many benefits with its interactive interface, immediate feedback, and learner motivation, and can be used in schools. It can also be adjusted to the skill level of the students. Computer-assisted instructions improves learning in the classroom. It provides concepts or processes dynamically and using multiple forms of representations. It can also maintain records of students' performance. Through software, those software and equipment can be costly. A study examining the cost differences showed that classroom training costs were more for completing a traditional classroom-based course than for a computer-assisted instructions. So based on several research findings, learners using computers tend to do moderately better than with bigger effects seen at lower grade levels. So we have observed that instructors are recommended to supplement traditional instructions with computer-assisted instructions. And I personally use Kahoot for formative assessment in my classroom. So on the average, we can observe that computer-assisted instructions is considered timely. It's very beneficial in improving learner-centered classroom environments. All right. So let's go to the next topic, which is learning management systems. What's a learning management system? A learning management system are web-based systems that incorporate a wide range of teaching and course administration tools and create virtual learning environments. There are various types of learning management systems such as Blackboard, Moodle, Brightspace, and so on and so forth. So they could be adjuncts to traditional learning modes or used to develop completely online educational environments. Learning management systems allow instructors and students to share materials, submit and return assignments, and communicate online. Nowadays, most universities are moving towards the use of Canvas and Brightspace. However, Blackboard is one of the oldest learning management system, and using Blackboard has various features as every other learning management systems does have. So every learning management system has its pros and cons, but the most important thing is that it helps to enhance learning online. And it can also be used in a traditional learning environment as well. So next, the last topic for today is learning analytics. What is learning analytics? Learning analytics uses intelligent data, student performance, and analytic models to find out how students learn and improve their experience and improve on their experience. So learning analytics personalizes each student's learning experience, building upon their strengths and encouraging improvements on weaknesses, thus adapting to students' needs. It can also be used to predict future learner performance based on past patterns or learning and adapt teaching and learning styles for each situation, and also shaping new processes for effective learning in the future. The major disadvantage of learning analytics is the cost of the software. However, considering improved learning outcomes, it can be considered a necessary investment in the future of education. All right, so remarkable advances have been made in education with innovative technologies today. All these technologies have their benefits and improve learning overall. However, cost and technical problems remain significant issues in their uptake and maximal utilization. The adoption of these technologies should take into consideration affordability of initial procurement and maintenance, the students' and teachers' background and technical capabilities, as well as the acceptance of such systems in the learning environment. And we have come to the end of today's session. So this is an idea which I hope to continue, where I would share with you insights in instructional design and technology. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next show. Hello, Jessica. Thanks for being around. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I am the boss. All right, till next time, everyone. It was nice hanging around with you, and thanks for listening.